If you're always tired, can't focus, and feel like your life's stuck in a loop, it's not your fault. What if I told you it's because your testosterone is dying? And nobody told you. But here's the good news. In this video, I'm giving you 7 natural, science-backed ways to fix it, starting today. You constantly feel like eating something, can't tolerate hunger, get tired quickly doing physical work, have low stamina, low sex drive, can't focus on your work, your mind keeps wandering, you feel depressed, irritated, and have low motivation levels. One reason for this could be a deficiency of testosterone or male hormones. Here are 7 natural ways to increase testosterone levels. 1. Cholesterol, especially good cholesterol, HDL. The first point is cholesterol, particularly good cholesterol or HDL, which is made from good fats like omega-3 fatty acids. These are found in fish oil, olive oil, egg yolk, and dry fruits. If you remove these from your diet, your good cholesterol levels will drop. Cholesterol is a precursor, a building block of testosterone. Testosterone is made from cholesterol. That's also why statin medications have a major side effect. They lower cholesterol levels. Without cholesterol, the body cannot make testosterone. 2. Protein. The right amount, not too much. Now let's talk about protein, how much you should eat. It's a myth that you need to eat high amounts of protein to boost testosterone. That's completely false. You only need a moderate amount of protein, about 1 gram per kilogram of body weight. If your weight is 80 kilograms, you need 80 grams of protein per day. If your weight is 60 kilograms, then 60 grams is enough. You can get this from fish, chicken, lentils, yogurt, etc. Too much protein turns into glucose, which raises blood sugar, increases insulin levels, and causes fatigue. Because protein is made of amino acids, and the body doesn't use amino acids directly for fuel, only a few are used directly for energy. The rest are converted into glucose. More glucose triggers insulin, and insulin blocks testosterone. So too much protein actually lowers testosterone levels instead of increasing them. 3. Low-carb diet. Next is a low-carb diet. You need to eat foods low in starch, and here's why. High-carb diets, like flour, white bread, refined flour, maida, pasta, pizza, burgers, naan, potatoes, and rice, all raise insulin. High insulin blocks testosterone, so if you keep insulin levels low, it can help increase testosterone and other beneficial hormones like growth hormone. 4th, exercise is essential to trigger testosterone production, especially high-intensity interval training, HIIT, that involves the whole body, not just one muscle group. Sweat it out. Fast walking, running, or working out in open spaces or at the gym. Start with low-intensity exercises and gradually move toward high intensity. But only do high-intensity workouts if you're sleeping well at night. Otherwise, your cortisol, stress hormone levels will stay high. You'll feel stressed, distracted, unable to focus, and high-intensity training will stress your heart. So first, fix your sleep. This will lower stress hormones, reduce cortisol, and allow you to exercise without heart stress. With better recovery, your testosterone and growth hormone will increase, muscle building improves, and eventually, sleep quality also improves.
5. Sleep is extremely important because we need to keep cortisol, stress hormone, low. When cortisol increases, it blocks testosterone. We also need to keep estrogen levels low. Soy products, especially soy protein, soybean oil, and even some vegetable oils, increase estrogen. Pesticides and chemical sprays used on plants also raise estrogen levels. So avoid vegetable oils and try to switch to organic vegetables or homegrown produce. Even start a small kitchen garden if you can. 6. Skipped in numbering, but implied earlier. Dietary fixes and liver health. If you have fatty liver, your body won't be able to produce testosterone. So first you need to fix fatty liver through low-carb diet, moderate protein intake, ketogenic diet, exercise, lemon water. All of these can help reverse fatty liver and remove fat from the liver. Also, excess iron in the body can reduce testosterone levels and damage the liver. The body can't easily eliminate extra iron, so don't take iron supplements and consult your doctor if you're on statin medications, as alternatives are available. 7. Supplements that help increase testosterone. Let's talk about supplements that help increase testosterone. Zinc regulates luteinizing hormone, helps convert cholesterol into testosterone, keeps the prostate gland healthy, and boosts nitric oxide production. L-arginine boosts nitric oxide, which is crucial for testosterone production. But remember, supplements only work if your diet is good. Then there's D-aspartic acid, a very effective compound for increasing testosterone. Thank you for visiting the channel. Take care of yourself. May God protect you.